feather
When shadows fill the day,
lead us to a place,
guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be saved.
City of La Carlota, Resolution number 2014-106. Resolution expressing profound sympathy and condolences to the bereaved family and relatives of Mr. Cornelio A. Aispuro Jr., who passed away on February 26, 2014. Whereas, Cornelio Aispuro Jr. joined his Almighty Father and Creator to live with Him for eternity. Whereas, his family, relatives, friends, and acquaintances will sorely miss him as they reminisce the bright and memorable moments of fellowship with him. Whereas, Cornelio A. Aispuro Jr. is a highly respected and accomplished individual who made great contribution in the field of the arts and culture, being one of the pioneers and brains of the now famous Pasalamat Festival, celebrated annually for 34 years already. Wherefore, by unanimous motion and consent of all members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod present, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved, to pass this resolution expressing profound sympathy and condolences to the bereaved family and relatives of Mr. Cornelio A. Aispuro Jr., who passed away on February 26, 2014. Done and dated this 3rd day of March 2014 at La Carlota City, Philippines. Signed, Luis J. Halandoni III, City Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer. Attested, Attorney Rex G. Rojo, Secretary to the Sanggunian.
Paano ang puso ko ito ngayon lumisan ka sa buhay ko, kung kailan sumikat ang